Hi, welcome to Skilloon, the personal trainer for students. Skilloon is a research-based platform that helps students implement their own personal development portfolio. It helps students develop an entrepreneurial mindset, as well as goal setting and self-guidance skills. It also helps develop self-esteem, motivation, and to even take action in developing new concrete business ideas. Learning content is divided into modules based on the skill set being learned and goals to be achieved. Before students start learning, they complete evaluations of both their school and themselves about the 6 main subject areas. This sets the starting point for their learning. After completing the course, students perform the same evaluations again to see how much they have improved. Let's then take a look at the site itself. I'm currently logged in as a student named Kristen Ramirez. It's visible in the top right corner of the page, where the name of the current user is visible. It also says that Kristen is a student, not a teacher. The top right corner is also a place for the user menu. It's a menu that Kristen can use to access her profile information if she needs to change her name or password, for example. This is also the place where she can log out. On the opposite corner of the page, we have the course selector. It lists all the courses the student has registered to, and as we can see, Kristen has only registered to the demo course. Here in the center, we have the main navigation. For students, Skilloon has 3 main pages. Exercises page is the starting page of Skilloon. It's the place where a student can access the course information and instructions provided by her teacher. It's also the place where the student can access all the course modules. The first 2 modules are evaluation modules, and as we can see, Kristen has already completed those. The next 6 modules are the actual course modules. And to open up a module, click on the button on the right. This is the module page. It shows all the tasks from inside the module. For Kristen, it also shows that she has already completed 2 of the tasks. Let's complete the third one. This is a task page. It shows the task and a way for the student to answer. On this task, the user has to answer by typing her answer in. Let's type in something. Then let's go back to the exercises page. Let's now open self-evaluation module. Kristen has already answered all of the tasks in the self-evaluation module, but she can open up any of the tasks to see her answers. Evaluation tasks are questionnaires where students answer a series of questions by using a Likert scale. After answering, the student also receives a feedback based on her answers. Let's then go to the next page, which is My Skilloon. My Skilloon is a page where a student can see her progress. The progress is measured by flying height of a balloon. As we can see, Kristen now flies at 277 meters. Every time she answers a question, she will receive more points, which means more flying height. The My Skilloon page also shows other statistics of Kristen's progress. The last page is the logbook. It is the student's personal development portfolio. It works as a single access point for the student to all the questions and answers she has given in Skilloon. And as the student's teacher can also see her answers, It's also a place where they can have a conversation around the tasks. Here we can see an ongoing conversation between Kristen and her teacher. Kristen can also print the logbook for her needs in offline use. But let's now jump to the teacher side. I'm now logged in as John Doe, who is a teacher in the same school. John can open his students' logbooks. When John opens the logbook page, he can first select the student and then see that student's logbook. The same applies for a student Skilloon page, where John can see the same statistics that Kristen sees herself. To change to another student Skilloon page, John can select David Anderson and see David's progress. Teachers can also see a fourth page in the main navigation named Statistics. Statistics page shows the teacher's results over the evaluation tasks. It shows each evaluation task in the course and the average scores and standard deviations that all the students in the course have achieved. The statistics page also shows course progress. This page shows the teacher how many exercises on average the students have completed in the course. Teachers also have access to info material. The course selector has been divided between courses and info material modules. The info material contains a lot of content for the teachers to help them get the most out of Skilloon. So that is a brief introduction to Skilloon. I hope you enjoy your time. Thank you.